In this video, I am excited to share with you all that I am starting a lock journey on my natural hair. It's been almost 5 years since I did my big chop, and I've been wanting locks for a while, so I decided to just give it a go. So I use some of my favorite Hydratherma Naturals cleanser and conditioner products to cleanse and condition my hair thoroughly to prepare it for my starter locks. This is what my hair looks like while it's wet, and basically all I'm doing is just separating it in half, and I'm going to use some of my follicle mist by Hydratherma Naturals on my roots and the length of my hair. Just massage it in really good because it's a good moisturizer, but it's not going to weigh my hair down. And I'm also going to add a little bit of the Hydratherma Naturals Daily Growth Lotion because this is going to add a little extra moisture to my hair. And these are the only two products that I'm going to put in my hair before I begin the starter lock process. So for my starter locks, I decided to do 2 strand twists over coils, mainly because my hair is longer and it's a very soft texture, and I did a lot of research and found out that the twists are really good for being able to wash your hair, and I'm hoping that they hold up for me, so I'm just going to do the best that I can. In the next clip, I'm going to be showing you the products that I use to do the twist. I use my Hydratherma Naturals Botanical Defining Gel. A little goes a long way with this product, and I also use a little bit of growth oil just for extra sealing in of moisture. And this is what my hair looks like after I finish installing the twist. I wanted like a medium size, so for the most part they're medium, and I tried to make them uniformly the same size. I know that some of them are a little bit smaller, but I know that later on I could possibly combine them, so I'm not going to make a big deal out of it. And these are my different parting options. I have a middle part and I have side parts on both sides of my head so that I can have, styling options down the road. And that's basically it. These are my starter locks. I'm very excited about it, and I am welcoming any advice and tips that any of you who are already locked or on lock journeys can share with me. And this is just some close-up of my parting and how I did my twists. Also, I want to mention that I did braid the roots a little bit, and then I braided the ends just a little bit because, again, my hair is soft and I want it to hold up until it's time for me to do a retwist. So I really appreciate you guys taking the time to check out this video, and I'm really excited about this new journey. Of course, my loose natural hair videos, all the videos I have will still be available, but I'm excited about this new chapter for my hair. So I'll see you guys in the next video and update.